Hi everyone, I'm Darn Anand, a senior undergrad electrical engineering student at the University of Houston, and I'm going to present my IoT Smart Hub project for Dr. Yuhua Chen's advanced hardware course. First, what's IoT? IoT, or Internet of Things, is used to describe interconnected sensors, embedded systems, databases, data analytics, and much more working together to create smart environments. This could range all the way from a toaster to the entire infrastructure of a city. Any engineered product or service could be injected with IoT to enable smart capabilities. And it's projected by 2025 we'll have more than 75 billion IoT devices to help make our world smart. Imagine a world where you can preheat your oven from your car as you pick up groceries with the help of a smart assistant, where you drive to reduce traffic due to smart city traffic management, where your garage door opens as you pull up in your driveway, and where an ambiance of music and a lit fireplace greets you as you open your door. All autonomously done due to an IoT powered world. A world that I would like to help create. With that goal, I decided to build my very first IoT product, a Smart Hub. The main goal of the project was to build a proof of concept IoT device to gain some hands-on experience in developing an IoT system. So I created a system capable of turning on or off devices with relays, monitoring temperature and humidity, and monitoring motion, all remotely controlled via a cloud and an app. To develop this, I used a Raspberry Pi, Google Firebase, Android app, relay module, temperature and humidity sensor, and an infrared motion sensor. And here is a visual overview of the system architecture. I created a simple Android app using Android Studio, created a mini real-time cloud database on Google Firebase, and used a Raspberry Pi and a few relays and sensors to create an embedded system. The user controls the system using the app, which updates the cloud database, which sends the commands to the Raspberry Pi to interact with the sensors to control and obtain information. And here is a detailed circuit schematic showing the connections between the Raspberry Pi and the sensors and relays. Also, check out the GitHub link in the description for the Android app project as well as the Python code for the Raspberry Pi. So with that, let's delve into the cool stuff. I'm sure y'all want to see a demo of the project. So here's a quick demo of the IoT Smart Hub. And here is the Android app and the Google Firebase database on one side, and the Raspberry Pi and the sensors on the other side. First, let's try turning the system on. As you can see, as soon as the system is turned on, the temperature and humidity sensors are activated, and they pull up the readings from the sensor, and they're constantly updated. And as you can see, the motion detector is also activated as soon as the system's turned on, and there is no motion, so there is no motion detected. Now let's try turning on the LED through the relays. Now let's try turning off the LED. And as you can see, the motion detector still hasn't detected any motion. So let's try messing around with the motion sensor. And now once I take my hand off, the motion detector won't detect any motion anymore. And once we turn off the system, everything else resets and sets to off. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the demo. In conclusion, I created a fun little smart hub to demonstrate the core concepts of IoT. This project also displays the versatility of creating an embedded system with a Raspberry Pi. In addition, I expanded my skills in app development, database management, Python, and much more. And I plan to develop the Smart Hub further to include more features such as intruder picture capture and alarm, and much more. I hope y'all had as much fun watching my project as I did developing it. And stay tuned for more features. Thank you for watching.